Hi guys, this is Dante with Drive and Thrive, and in this video I'm going to explain why Uber Eats is the #1 side job for college students. Watch to the very end and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on news, tips, and tricks for Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Postmates. Okay, so while Uber Eats is a great side job for anyone, it's a great job for anyone, I'm going to explain why specifically it's a great job for college students. So, I think back to when I was in college, and I remember I worked as a pizza delivery guy on the weekends. I worked nights doing as a dishwasher. So, I'm not proud of some of the jobs I did in college, but I always remember how tired I would be the next day. But, now you don't need to worry about, having a job that fits within your schedule because Uber Eats offers incredibly flexible scheduling. Take a look at something I jotted down here. It talked about how if you're a student at UCLA, you may have back-to-back classes in the morning followed by a 3-hour break. What do you do in those 3 hours? Well, a lot of times when I was in college, what I would do is study. Okay, I know I was very fun, right? Take a nap, do stuff like that. Well, now in between those 3-hour breaks, you can actually make money. You can actually be making money in between those 3-hour breaks, and you can actually enjoy your nights for whatever you want to do, whether or not you want to study at night or sleep at night or go out and party at night, whatever you want to do. You don't have to worry about having a side job at night. And I'll tell you another thing I used to hate about my pizza delivery job when I was in college was I had to be there at a certain time. You have a boss. You have someone telling you what to do. So I had to show up at 9 p.m. and I had to work to, I think it was 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. I forget. But and if I didn't show up, I would get fired. And a lot of times, I'm telling you, in college, I was pretty lazy. And a lot of times I just didn't want to show up or I'd have to call and make an excuse. But with Uber Eats, you don't have a boss. You can work as little as you want. You can work as much as you want. If your midterms are coming up, if finals are coming up, don't work. You can't get fired. You're not going to get fired for inactivity or anything like that. So you can work as much as you want when you don't have class or when there's break. For winter break, we used to get almost a month from December 12th to January 3rd or something like that. And for that whole month, if Uber Eats was around when I was in college, I'd be able to work that entire month instead of having to go home. Because, you couldn't really work during the break. Anyway, it's complicated. All those things, all of those problems with finding a job in college are solved by rideshare, by Uber Eats. So, those are great things. You can make good money. You earn money by bringing people food. So if you don't know what Uber Eats is, what you do is you go to restaurants, you pick up the food, you drop them off, and you get paid per delivery. And you also get tips. All you need to do is have a car. You need to be 18 years old, or you need to be 19 years old if you want to drive a car, but you can also do it by riding a bike. So if you want to do it by riding a bike or a motorcycle, you can also do that. So you can choose how to ride. No boss. Flexible hours, good money on the side. It's so awesome. I don't know if I was in college, that would be the first thing. When I was in college, I was really poor. Let me just tell you one thing about me. I was so poor when I was in college. I used to have to ask my dad for money all the time. The little money I made doing pizza delivery barely covered anything. Barely covered buying food during the week. So, I always wanted money. I always wanted to just have a little money to go out and buy some clothes or go out and, go out for it, go out and drink a little bit. I know at college, right? But I never had any money. And even though I worked and even though I was killing myself, I didn't have any money. But now with Uber, you get paid the exact day. So let's say you only want $10 that day for pizza or whatever, right? You want to order some pizza tonight, you need $20. Okay, you can go work for an hour, get $20, boom, go home, order a pizza, watch some TV. Okay, no, don't do that. Go actually study, all right? But all I'm saying is this is the perfect job for a college student. If you're in college and you need money, you need a side job, or if you just need to, even if you want to pay a little bit for the college, whatever you want to do, sign up for Uber Eats. There's a link at the bottom. use my promo code, sign up for Uber Eats. Do it today. Trust me, it's great. But you need to be 19, or if you're 18, you need to own a bike, okay? That's all you need. Sign up, thank me, and leave a comment below. And remember, when you're an Uber Eats driver, get out there and drive and thrive.